Stop it!
Straw check.
Hey, get the fuck out of here.
Go back to the shadow! You shall not pass! Go! Lion!
Matt is live in Hernando, Mississippi, where there's been spottings of a cougar, and that's a cougar. I'll be right back with a live report.
Last weekend we had a dance and the grinding was so out of control that I had to pull the plug. My goal in bringing these two guys in is hopefully help me come up with some solutions.
What's too close for you? Like is this too close for you?
No.
What about that?
Okay, you're getting there.
What about that?
That's inappropriate.
That? He's a guy. We're amongst men here.
Hey! To me, that's okay.
So if it's covered like with underwear, what if you put it to bend over?
And now you're getting to the kind of dancing that's not okay. Exactly what I'm talking about.
What if I was just tying my shoe and I happen to be standing behind him stretching? I was just bending over and tying my shoe and he's stretching. Not a big deal.
Okay, you guys are completely off task here.
No, we're not. No, we're not. This is dance. We're trying to prove a point. So
nothing to do with you showing.
Well, dancing and we're like this close.
And that's not appropriate.
This isn't appropriate?
There needs to be some space between.
We're just doing this.
You're not grinding body parts.
This is so appropriate right now.
Look at this.
Look.
And now we can even pose for you. Look at that.
And then there's pictures.
Now, do you want us to be like meter stick away? Just, hey.
That's not what I'm asking, guys.
In the senior
So
that is not what I'm asking.
So if we were this close, but we're not touching right now. Is that inappropriate?
No, if you're not grinding body parts, I'm okay with that.
I am
He's touching my butt.
his butt.
You shouldn't be.
You didn't see that, did you?
See?
Sit down.
In the motherfucking suburbs with it. Rah, bing, bow, bah. Hey, yo, Terry, fuck going on?